Hello, I'm Wendy Leong, founder and CEO of Mobiva. We started our journey to design a solution that could simplify mobile workforce management. But everything changed in 2019 when I experienced an earthquake in Manila. I witnessed firsthand how difficult it was for building safety officers to evacuate people from skyscrapers. That moment made me realize we could take our technology further from workforce management to life-saving technology. Today, I'll show how our technology aligns with the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change to empower developing countries in climate resilience. In the face of disaster, citizens often find themselves isolated. Local authorities are overwhelmed by calls and messages. Critical updates are lost among the slurry of WhatsApp messages, and early warning alarms are delayed. Without real-time information, tasks and resources are often duplicated and gaps are impossible to identify. Disasters isolate citizens and overwhelm authorities. Lives are at stake. We need a new approach, and we need it yesterday. Mobiva's AI-powered framework revolutionizes disaster management by connecting citizens, government, and NGOs in real time. We built a cloud-based, mobile-first AI-powered solution that provides real-time hazard mapping, early warnings, and predictive modeling for resources optimization and evacuation planning. By leveraging crowdsourced data, indigenous knowledge, and local data, we empower communities to take proactive steps towards climate resilience and disaster preparedness. In 2022, the United Nations launched the Early Warnings for All initiative, calling for an investment of 3.1 billion US dollars. But according to CDRI, the world needs more than just early warning systems. We need 94 trillion US dollars for resilient infrastructure. More than half of the world's nations lack early warning systems. This shows that the world needs a solution like ours. Our AI framework connects stakeholders through various apps, creating a real-time data sharing ecosystem. Citizens can report hazards through various channels, including the Mobiva Citizen app, text messages, and social media. Government and NGOs use various mobile apps to contribute data to the platform, coordinate efforts, and allocate resources. It is effectively an e-government platform that facilitates interagency collaboration in real time for all stakeholders.
Mobiva simplifies reporting public service disruptions. Citizens can quickly report issues like power outages or road damage and receive updates on their status. Local authorities can efficiently address these problems, improving community well-being and fostering trust between citizens and government.
Our intuitive dashboards make AI-driven insights accessible to anyone with an internet connection, democratizing advanced technology to communities. There is no need for any special devices or software to access this platform. This approach allows everyone to benefit from AI without the complexities and high adoption costs. Mobiva Citizen app is a versatile e-government solution designed for community climate resilience. Our apps cater to diverse users, from citizens to healthcare workers, with features like offline functionality and HAI for health risk profiling. With offline health assessments, last-mile health workers can identify vulnerable populations, and this information is used to build inclusive AI predictive models for disaster planning. The solution captures and processes data from various sources, creating actionable insights from citizen reports, social media, and official channels. This acts as an alternative emergency communications channel when phone lines are congested. Data processed is used to create real-time hazard maps, and incidents are automatically triaged. This automated workflow ensures timely and effective assistance to citizens in need. This is the user interface for last-mile community health workers striving to capture vulnerable populations within the community. Health risk assessments are conducted through the mobile app offline, and a risk profile will be generated directly from the mobile device. Patient information captured is uploaded back to the cloud automatically when internet is restored, and the HAI outcome contributes to the overall predictive analytics dashboard for the entire community. Each time new information is added, the predictive analytics dashboard will change, reflecting the new data uploaded.
Let me show you how citizens can report public service outages using Mobiva. A citizen selects an issue, like a fallen tree blocking the road, from the app's menu. They capture a picture, add details, and submit the report. This information is instantly shared with local authorities and other app users in real time, allowing for quick response and community awareness. The process is simple, fast, and ensures public services are addressed efficiently, empowering citizens to engage directly with their local government.
Citizens can easily report incidents from fires, accidents to disasters with just a few taps. Information regarding the incident with location is entered into the Citizen app. Picture and a short description is captured as well. The data is instantly reflected onto a community map, alerting nearby residents and local authorities. They can also receive real-time hazard alerts, evacuation alarms, and guidance in times of emergencies. This helps residents to stay informed, have time to better prepare, and evacuate early if the need arises, ultimately saving lives. With digital roll calls and SITREP reporting, the platform empowers community leaders to lead their own resilience efforts. Using the app to relay crucial information from the field back to the command center allows local government to have better understanding of the critical situation at hand in real time. Our shelter capacity management tools optimize resource allocation, ensuring efficient support to those in need. Our conversational mapping feature is a game changer for crisis response. This feature translates social media sentiment into actionable geographic insights, enabling empathetic and efficient decision making. This could be invaluable to the local government, where such data-driven evidence can be used to reform policies and improve disaster response strategies. The predictive analytics dashboard is intuitive and easy to understand. Evacuation locations can match with nearest shelters, and using local household data, first responders can estimate the evacuation time and resources needed based on evacuation location. The food and manpower prediction model is simple. Local government enters what they need in the inventory, and the model will adjust for remaining units required. This can be easily downloaded and shared with other stakeholders. Every time new information is entered, the model will adjust the quantity accordingly, ensuring resources are optimized. This comparative landscape analysis compares Mobiva against other similar solutions across 5 key areas. Unlike the others, ours is hyperlocal, citizen-centric, and enables real-time data sharing for all. This is a revolutionary plug-and-play AI framework that empowers communities and delivers measurable global impact. In collaboration with UNICEF, we enhance disaster preparedness by increasing disaster knowledge and digital skills for 3 communities. From this project, disaster awareness among children was increased by 52%. We boosted community engagement by 40% and reduced emergency response times by 30%. This shows how digital empowerment can reshape a citizen's mindset to take ownership of their own safety. From children's education to women's empowerment, we're bridging the digital divide across diverse communities globally.
We contribute to all major aspects of SDG 13. We provide real-time hazard alerts, inform national climate policies with local data, and educate communities about disaster preparedness. By enabling participation in disaster planning, we're building resilience in regions facing the toughest climate challenge, even in low-resource and limited connectivity settings.
Mobiva is driving change in climate adaptation, guided by UNICEF project metrics. Our goals: 30% faster disaster response by leveraging real-time data for quicker decisions and faster mobilization to reduce disaster impact. 40% higher community engagement through crowdsourced hazard mapping ensures more accurate data for better decisions. Reduced environmental impact with early interventions prevent further ecosystem damage. 50% boost in climate awareness through educating communities on risks and preparedness empowers them to take action. Mobiva is revolutionizing environmental protection. Our platform empowers communities to report illegal activities and water pollution in real time, enabling swift action. By integrating indigenous knowledge and fostering environmental awareness, we're building a sustainable future.
Mobiva uses a low-cost, accessible, and adaptable approach. and is designed to thrive in low-resource settings, making it ideal for developing countries. It's easily replicable and scalable to diverse communities worldwide, empowering them with much-needed decision-making tools for climate adaptation. Local government in disaster-prone developing countries are often located in areas with limited infrastructure, have limited budget to spend, and does not have technical personnel with advanced skill sets. Aligning with the Sendai framework, the Mobiva solution can overcome these challenges. Join us in building a resilient world, one community at a time. Together, we can build a more resilient, empowered world. Thank you for listening.